This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you all again. Yeah, if this is the first time seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last, okay? Yeah, in today's video guys, I'm going to be reviewing a special product that I find so soothing and compatible to my skin. Yeah, you know, I really have a sensitive skin and I find this really hard to get a soothing product, a product that is well compatible to my skin. So I'm really glad I had to get in touch with this product. It's really working on me. Yeah, specifically I decided to get this product because of dark spots on my face. Yeah, I've had dark spots on my face, long-lasting dark spots on my face that refuse to go away, and this product right there is really doing its work. Yeah, so this is the product here, Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum. This product right here is indeed doing its work. If you take a proper look at my face, you can tell that all black spots on my face are all gone. It's all faded. Even if you can see it at its bare minimum. Yeah, this product is so soothing to me. It's lovely, it glows my skin, it's compatible, it's soft on me, and it's simple, it's calm. I'm having a sensitive skin, meaning products I'm meant to be using on my face or on my skin is meant to be calm, soft, you know. Yeah, I don't need anything harsh and all. Yeah, so I love this product. What I can say, because I've used it for going to 9 to 8 weeks, yeah, 8 to 9 weeks rather, and I can tell that it's really working. Yeah, I feel brightened, I feel this glow sense, I feel refreshed, I feel soft. My face basically feels succulent whenever I'm done using this product. I love this product, and I bet you I'm going to be getting this same product again because this one is almost finishing. Yeah, I simply apply this product every day, in fact twice daily. Yeah, I apply it after my morning bath and after my night bath. Yeah, I apply this at morning. Once I'm done washing my face with my normal facial wash, yeah, I simply go in like so with some drops, or because it came with some droplets rather. So I simply go in and apply some droplets on my face, and then I massage outwardly. Yeah, after massaging outwardly, I leave to dry, for it to penetrate into the skin first before applying the next products on my face. That's I use it at morning and same here at night. I love this product, and I recommend you all to go get this product here. If you're having a sensitive skin as mine, this product is for you. This serum is for you. And if you're experiencing dark spots on your face, this product is as well for you. If you're having a sensitive skin, you don't need anything harsh, anything medicated and thereabouts, use this product because it's dead as mild, it's soft, it's calming, it's glowing, it's brightening. So what else do you want? So this is my honest review for Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum. This serum is a bomb, and I'm rating it 5. Yeah, 5. I'm rating this serum 5. That is my honest review. This serum is good, and it's having vitamin C and niacinamide brightening primer serum. This serum is good. This serum is the bomb, and this is my honest review for this product. This product is the bomb. It's good, it's mild, it's soft, it's calming, it's glowing as well. It gives me a bright skin after application. I love this product. Thumbs up to Dr. Rashel for producing this. We love you. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, boost on post notifications to get notified whenever I get to post new video. Okay, like and subscribe guys, and most especially comment nicely. Yeah.
This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta.